What hashtags should I use? I hear that question all the time. So I did a bit of research, and these are my 3 favorite tools. Actually, the first one I don't like that much. I've typed in Whistler as a keyword because I'm really familiar with the hashtag that goes with Whistler in the industry. So I know if the results are going to be good or not. So when I type in Whistler, display purposes gets a lot of hype, but I didn't really like it. It only gave me 3 hashtags. The other one I used was allhashtag.com, and this one gave me a bit more detailed information, but it was still kind of a bit all over the place. There's decor, weddings, real estate. It's really all over the place. So finally, someone wants to join me. Finally, the one I liked best is this one, and it is besthashtags.com. So best hashtags, there's a really nice clean interface, and the hashtags that they gave me were really kind of bang on with the hashtags that Tourism Whistler uses for Whistler and so on. So if you had to pick, I would say go for best-hashtags.com. And if you want to learn about hashtag strategy, you can watch my next video. The link is in the caption. Thank you. Bye-bye. You're silly.